Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, grey and pink in the pallu with zari lines with deep bluish grey color, navy blue and grey mixed color blouse piece. The saree here is completely in cream color with horizontal printed design, zigzag lines printed using the same blue and pink all over the saree with dual color borders. The top border is pink and the lower half border is deep greyish blue color. Very different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow pallu, the most demanded design, restocked with same color, same yellow blouse piece. It's a contrast pallu and blouse piece here for the green color saree. We have borders also in yellow base for the zari border base, and we have maple leaf design printed. This is a very famous design, most demanded one, restocked for demand, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful choco brown color, a burgundy color, a pallu with cream and prints also in burgundy base with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, and contrast one for the body. The body here is very different. The top portion is completely printed with a beautiful design, stripes as well as a vertical as well as horizontal stripes pattern. The same stripes pattern comes in the lower half also, but it is only in the lower half, the 3/4 of the saree. Top half is completely cream. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful turquoise green color pallu with zari lines. Same green blouse piece, light aqua turquoise green color. And the contrast, the saree here is in yellow, a bright turmeric yellow with prints completely in brown color, and we have the turquoise borders in both sides. This is a very different and rare combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with zari lines, and we have same blue blouse piece with both sides zari border. A contrast pallu and blouse piece for the saree. The saree here is in light shade of a peach and orange mixed color, very light and beautiful color with all over printed design done using half white color, and we have the contrast pallu color borders in both sides. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a turquoise green color pallu with zari lines, and we have same turquoise green blouse piece. Beautiful design, very much demanded one, restocked on demand. Cream color base with the prints in turquoise green, and we also have the borders in turquoise green base. Excellent combination, much demanded one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. This is the maroon pallu here with zari lines, zari border, same maroon blouse piece. The saree here is in base of black with all over printed design, mangoes and florals printed using half white color, and we have the maroon borders in both sides. Very elegant combination, always demanded beautiful design, restocked on demand with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a rustic orange color pallu with zari lines and same orange color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body here is a deep brown, a black and brown mixed color with fully cream color prints in the saree, all over printed design with the orange color borders in both sides. Excellent saree, very demanded one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. It is a yellow pallu here with zari lines and same yellow blouse piece with both sides zari border. A famous and most demanded design, restocked on demand. Cream color saree with the yellow used for the prints, contrast yellow color, pallu color used for the prints as well as for the border base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, multiple colors as well as a contrast blouse piece. It's a yellow, golden yellow color blouse piece with one side maroon borders. The saree is very different one here. You have a beautiful multicolored combination vertically given. See all over the saree, it's a vertically multicolored pattern with zari borders, and the borders also have multiple colors with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with zari lines and block prints. It's a cream color pallu, saree color, and we have a contrast black blouse piece. This is a very different saree. Top portion of the saree, the chest part is completely printed with a pink color, and we have top and bottom with border design. And the lower half, the partly taped, the lower half of the saree is having a very beautiful Kathak face design, the Kerala beautiful design depicted. So two different design which gives the beautiful half saree model for the saree. The base color is same cream with authentic silk.